Hello PSLE students and parents, I'm Agnes, the Curriculum Director of Writers at Work. If your child has never scored more than 30 marks for English composition or never had structured notes to study for the PSLE composition exams, your child needs this. Writers at Work PSLE Compo Writing Intensive Crash Course. This crash course was exclusively taught to WOW students who attend our regular classes. We only teach this at the very end of our WOW curriculum to give our students an intensive summary and a huge advantage right before PSLE exams. We worked hard to make sure that all the key concepts and strategies are fresh in our students' minds. We are taking this bold step to help more PSLE students ace the Compo exams and opening this special intensive crash course to the public. Join our PSLE Compo Writing Intensive Crash Course and give your child the final boost they need to excel. Our carefully curated materials and expert guidance will make a significant difference in their performance. Enroll now and receive a free PSLE Model Composition ebook with 25 compositions. We look forward to welcoming your child to our course.